losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
So this is Akansha ma'am who got prize and certificate. So I will ask her that what does she feel after getting this beautiful certificate from Global Spoken English, because you can see she has been welcomed here publicly. So I'd like to know ma'am that what do you want to say after getting this certificate?
First of all, a very good afternoon to all of you. My name is Akansha and I am from Madi. I would like to thank my respected Ghulam Nabi sir and my respected all global teachers, because they taught me very well. It's very fantastic moment for me because I got certificate. I want to share my journey. Before joining this coaching, I was not able to speak English fluently, and I would like to say thanks my parents, because they support me always for my studying. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.